Hey everybody, I came out here today behind this, these old factories over here I wanted to try out that waypoints mode with the Zino, and I'll put the video up. There won't be any talking by me while the video's playing, but I'll tell you what, man, it's really easy to use the waypoints on this thing. It is just simple as pie. It is simple as could be to use the waypoints on this. You can either just draw it with your finger, or you can, tap on the screen and set each one of the parameters, set the point of interest, and just hit go. It's really simple, man. I'm very impressed with it. Yeah, so enjoy the video.